All right, y'all. So I'm finally trying this burger. And got those like little chip things on it, and some salsa verde with it, and some American cheese to look like, and some Canadian bacon right there like that. I put a little ketchup on it. This burger got a little kick to it. I ain't gonna lie to it. Got a little Cajun flavor to it. I don't know if it's coming from the salsa. Oh, I forgot about that motherfucker right here. Mm-mm-mm. That's what I tasted. I know I wasn't damn crazy. Now I wish I had another ketchup packet, but I don't got that. So we're just gonna enjoy this burger as is. I want to go back over there and ask for some. The food truck's still open, y'all. I think it's open till like 4 o'clock. Mm-mm-mm. But I ain't gonna lie, this burger is blessing my life. Those fries were good as hell. I had to go ahead and kill the fries first before I got into this burger, but yeah, this shit's right. Mmm. Shut up. I don't want to waste shit. Mm-mm-mm. Yesterday was the first day I got to actually fall back and relax. So today I'm gonna be back at both jobs. Making that money for the next chapter. I don't know what all the next chapter entails, but either way, I'm going to share it, and I'm happy to do that with y'all. This is a whole new journey for me, like a whole new life. I'm in a whole new state. Like I said, I'm in a whole new state outside. And like now that I'm on here eating this burger and talking, that gummy is starting to wear off me. Like, I don't know if y'all can tell, like, I had a gummy. I probably need to lay off them bitches too. I ain't gonna lie to you. Cause I be having too much time chilling. But yeah, I'm in a whole new state, bro. With a different platform and trying to figure out what to do next. Lawsuit. There's so much I gotta do. There's so much I'm trying to clear the way and figure out like how to move into the next. But I guess I'm just enjoy the present with this burger. These buns taste like Fuddruckers. Back home in Atlanta, like the North Lake Mall area. Y'all know what I'm talking about. La Vista Road type shit. I wonder if it's still open. Yeah, this burger's straight. I should have got another one though with more cheese and shit on it. This one was called the El Jefe, by the way. El Boss. El Boss. El Capitan. Now it's the jalapenos and something is actually in the seasoning. It's a double kick. Ain't playing about that spicy, boy. Anyway, let me eat some of these. Chill out. Get some of this salsa. I bet, y'all. Yeah, so I had to go ahead and kill the little extras right there. Waste not, want not. I spent $18 on this shit. Now, I probably shouldn't have because I'm a little struggling. But sometimes you gotta treat yourself. And I've been treating myself to food. Food and, you know what I mean, a little gummy here and there. This is what I needed. That's definitely what I needed. I wish I remember the name of the food truck, y'all. I'll plug it in, but shout out to them. Shout out to them. I starting to hit, huh? Can't waste that.